looking for a premium mid-range smartphone, the Xiaomi 14T series is undoubtedly worth considering. However, distinguishing between the Xiaomi 14T and its Pro counterpart can be challenging, especially since they seem so similar at first glance. What complicates the decision further is the significant price gap between the two models. As of now, the Pro model costs about 150 or even 200 euros more than the standard 14T. So is the higher price tag justified? Let's explore what sets these two devices apart. In terms of physical dimensions, the Xiaomi 14T and the 14T Pro are nearly identical. Both models share the same screen size, height, and width. The standard 4T, however, is slightly thinner and over 10 grams lighter, likely due to the absence of wireless charging. The Pro features a more durable aluminum frame, while the 14T uses a plastic frame with a die-cast aluminum core for reinforcement. Despite this, the 14T doesn't feel cheap. Its matte glass back offers a premium textured experience. Some users may prefer the 14T's squared-off edges for a secure grip, while others might favor the Pro's rounded corners for added comfort. Both phones have Panda X glass on the back, and while the front of the 14T is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5, Xiaomi has yet to confirm the Pro's front glass specifications, though the Gorilla Glass 5 is the most likely candidate. Both devices boast a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with features like HDR10+ support, 16-bit color depth, and 144 Hz refresh rate. With peak brightness reaching whopping 4000 nits, these screens ensure excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. When it comes to audio, the 14T has slightly louder speakers. Meanwhile, the Pro speakers produce warmer and more bass-rich sound. On paper, the Pro model has a more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9300+ chipset, which excels in hardcore gaming and intensive tasks. It's undeniably the better option for those who need flagship-grade performance. However, in most gaming scenarios, the 14T also holds its own remarkably well. The gaming performance of the 14T is solid overall, handling graphically intensive tasks with ease. Unless you are a hardcore gamer, the 14T's Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset should be more than sufficient for everyday use and gaming. Both models also feature UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast data access, with the Pro offering an exclusive variant with 1 TB of storage and 12 GB of RAM for users seeking top-tier specs. Both the Xiaomi 14T and the 14T Pro run on Xiaomi's HyperOS, a feature-packed and highly customizable operating system. The HyperOS is well known for offering a vast array of features and customization options, and both devices uphold that tradition. If you're used to Xiaomi phones before, the experience will feel familiar, with plenty of tools to tweak your device to your liking. From UI themes to advanced settings and granular app control, there is no shortage of ways to personalize your phone. When it comes to overall performance, both phones deliver a fast, smooth, and responsive experience. The day-to-day usability feels identical, whether you're scrolling, multitasking, or using apps. Both devices handle tasks efficiently, and unless you're running heavy benchmarks or extremely demanding applications, it's virtually impossible to tell them apart in terms of speed and fluidity. In terms of battery endurance, the Pro model does have a slight edge over the standard 14T, offering perhaps an hour or two more of usage. The difference isn't dramatic, but the Pro's more efficient chipset provides marginally longer battery life during activities like web browsing, gaming, and video streaming. Charging is another area where the Pro excels. It supports Xiaomi's 120 watts fast charging, fully charging the battery in just 23 minutes. In contrast, the 14T tops out at 67 watts, taking a still respectable 49 minutes to fully charge. The Pro model also supports 50 watts wireless charging using Xiaomi's proprietary stand, a feature the 14T lacks. However, neither phone includes a charger in the box, so you will need to purchase one separately. The camera hardware is largely similar across both models, but there are notable differences. The Pro model uses a larger 50-megapixel sensor with a wider f1.6 aperture compared to the 14T's smaller 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.7 aperture. However, in real-world use, the differences in photo quality are subtle and often hard to notice. Both phones are capable of capturing stunning daylight shots with excellent detail and sharpness, accompanied by vibrant and natural colors. Nighttime photography is equally impressive on both devices, delivering high-quality images with good clarity and minimal noise. In fact, it can sometimes be challenging to tell which phone took a particular photo. While the Pro might occasionally produce slightly better results, the difference is negligible for most users. Additionally, both devices allow you to choose between Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic modes, offering distinct looks to your photos depending on your preference. The Pro also boasts a 2.6 times optical zoom, whereas the 14T offers 2 times optical zoom. In addition to this, the 14T user interface allows you to capture wide-angle, regular, 2 times optical zoom images and 4 times sensor-cropped images. Meanwhile, the 14T Pro expands on this with the ability to take wide-angle, regular, 2 times sensor-cropped images, 2.6 times optical zoom images, and 5 times sensor-cropped images. Selfies and selfie portraits are virtually identical on both devices, delivering consistently good results. Overall, while the ultra-wide and selfie cameras are identical on both devices, the Pro's enhanced zoom capabilities and versatility make it the better choice for photography enthusiasts. Both the Xiaomi 14T and the 14T Pro excel in video recording, offering stable and detailed 4K video at 60 FPS. The footage is smooth with accurate colors and great clarity, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. However, the Pro model takes things a step further by supporting 8K video recording at 30 FPS, which captures even more detail, and it is ideal for users who want the highest resolution possible. When it comes to selfie videos, both phones are capable of recording in 4K resolution at 30 FPS, delivering crisp and vibrant footage. The selfie video quality is very similar on both devices, and while the Pro's more advanced chipset might subtly influence processing, the difference is barely noticeable. When comparing the Xiaomi 14T and the 14T Pro, the Pro's premium price tag reflects its added features. However, for most users, the standard 14T offers excellent value and covers most needs without breaking the bank. Here are the reasons to choose the 14T: a lower price point, louder speakers, a sleek and boxy design, and great overall value. Here are the reasons to choose the Xiaomi 14T Pro: slightly better battery life, a more durable aluminum frame, lighting fast 120 watts charging and wireless charging support, superior performance for demanding tasks, enhanced zoom, and 8K video. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and priorities. To sum up, both devices deliver great performance and overall user experience, so you can't go wrong with either. Tell me in the comment section down below what do you think and which device would you pick. Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.